Once you've opened your account map in Lucidchart, you can begin adding contacts to the canvas. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Salesforce account listed at the top of the toolbox. Click on Contacts to see a list of all the contacts in the account. To add any of these contacts to the canvas, click and drag them to the desired location. If you have an account with a lot of contacts, you can use our search feature to find them. In the search bar at the top of the contacts list, you can search according to any information that appears on the contact cards in the list. Once you've found the right contacts, simply drag and drop them anywhere on the canvas. If you'd like to move contacts once you've added them to the canvas, click and drag them to another spot. As you build your account maps on sales calls and in deal reviews, you'll most likely want to add contacts to the canvas that aren't created in Salesforce yet. Rather than going back to Salesforce, creating a contact, and then finding it in Lucidchart, you can create a Salesforce contact right in Lucidchart. Within the contacts list, you'll see an option labeled New Contact. Click and drag it anywhere on the canvas to create a new contact. You'll then be prompted to fill in any contact information that your Salesforce admin requires. Once you've filled in all the information, click Create Contact. Upon successful creation, you'll see your new contact on the canvas, and that data will be immediately synced back to Salesforce. If you navigate to your Salesforce contact list and refresh the page, you'll see your newly added Lucidchart contact appear here in Salesforce with all the updated information. Now, let's try creating a new contact in Salesforce. Add some information, then jump back to Lucidchart. Click on the Refresh button at the top of the contact list, or refresh the page. You'll see the newly created Salesforce contact appear in Lucidchart under the Contacts list. Remember, whether you edit or update contact information in Lucidchart and Salesforce, they'll always remain in sync. Check out our next video, View and Change Contact Details, to learn how to modify and update further contact information from within Lucidchart.